Y'all, I got another one. We're trying the Easy Bake Oven again, and this time I got the cheese pizza mix. I haven't really had the best luck with using the Easy Bake Oven. I've tried a couple of times and they didn't really work out that good. Nothing is happening. Like, I'm just gonna keep mixing it until something happens. I'm stressed. This doesn't look like a pretzel to me. Oh, that's hot. Okay. So today I'm hoping I can actually pull out this cheese pizza. I will not let this beat me. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I'm so excited. My demise was not reading the instructions, I think. I feel like every time I read the instructions, there's like something missing though. First step is to make the sauce, then the cheese, glaze, and then the dough. Oh, this is a lot of steps. Okay, we're gonna start with the sauce first. Mix the marinara sauce with 1.5 teaspoons of water. There's so many packets. Okay. This can't be healthy. Why am I making the sauce first? Why am I not making the dough? It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm reading this right. 1.5 teaspoons of water. It came with a little mini whisk. Oh, this does not smell good. Marinara sauce is made. It does not smell good. Step 2, make the cheese. Pour the packet 1.5 teaspoons of water. I wasn't expecting the cheese to look like that. 1.5 teaspoons of water. Oh, this does not want to mix with this water. Here's the cheese. I will say this actually smells really good. Step 3, make the glaze. I need this packet with 2 tablespoons of water. So they're switching it up on me. Okay, this little whisk gets the job done. Like, that's all of the sauces basically. Step 4, make the pizza dough. We got this packet of dough that we're just gonna mix with water, 2.5 teaspoons of water. All right, I gotta mix this one up with the spatula this time. I thought this was gonna be way more dough. So this is all the dough. I don't know why I thought it was gonna make so much more. Let's just put it all together. I'm gonna turn this on because I know it has to preheat, and I think it takes like 15 minutes. I'm using gloves because I just don't like stuff on my hands. Ugh. Oh, this is very sticky. I'm supposed to do 6 of these. How? It's so sticky. I'm so happy I put a glove on. This would have ruined me. Oh, something's not right. Split the dough. Use your hands to form the dough into a ball. If the dough is too sticky, sprinkle flour on your hands. That is clearly what I need to do. Give me 1 second, let me get flour. I have flour now. I'm just gonna put some like on the table just in case. And then the rest, I'll try to, I don't know, dust the glove so it doesn't stick so much. See, that's much better. But now I feel like I'm just gonna have like a dry pizza, and I hope that doesn't happen. All right, this is 6 kinda equal pieces. I'm gonna flatten each one of these. I knew they'd be small. I didn't think they meant like a pizza literally that small. I kinda wanna make a giant one. No, I need to follow the steps. Okay. I think this is heated up and it smells like a fire wants to start. I don't know how to feel about that. I thought they were gonna be bigger than this. That's crazy. Let's just do the egg wash. So from reading the instructions, I'm supposed to do a second batch, and I do have an extra dough, so I'm just gonna make a giant one on the next one. But we're gonna do this one like it says. All right, spread marinara sauce. I'm sure kids have fun playing with these. This last part is crazy. Use a plastic sandwich bag and cut a corner. All right, I'm not gonna lie, this cheese smells delicious. This is insane. I'm supposed to squeeze out the cheese. This don't seem right. This is the craziest part of it all. This is our 6 pizza. This is how they're looking. I don't want to use all the cheese because I want to try to make a giant one. So this is what it's looking like. This has to bake for 14 minutes. We're just supposed to slide this in. I feel like I mess this up every time. Okay, now we wait 14 minutes. Okay, so they're done. It's been 14 minutes. Now I just gotta take these out. Okay, so you just push this in there. I can never get these out. Wait, am I supposed to push it through. Got it, okay. This actually really is hot. Here are my pizzas. They look exactly the way they look when they went in. They look nothing like the box. The cheese is melted. This is not the same. Well, I do have the extra dough, so I'm just gonna make a big one now. Why not? I thought they were gonna be a little bigger than that, so I'm just gonna make like a giant one and then try to get it. I don't wanna try these yet. I'm gonna just move them over to my plate. They all flipped. These are crackers. Let's do the dough one more time. Here's the dough again. This is just gonna be a giant one. I'm not splitting it. I'm just gonna flatten this. I think that's as big as I can get it. But this should have just been in the instructions the first time. Like, why do we make 6 small ones? Same stuff as before, egg wash, marinara, and the cheese. Look how thick this is. That's glue.
There's glue.
All right, now we gotta squeeze out more cheese. This is still the craziest part. Here is the pizza. I have to admit, this one looks so much better. I just feel like this should have just been the initial instructions. But I don't even know if it's gonna take 14 minutes. It might take longer, but I'm gonna just do 14 minutes and see what happens.
A few moments later.
All right, it's been 14 minutes. I don't know if it'll be done. Okay, it's a little too big to come out, but it's taking the cheese off. All the cheese is coming off the pizza. That wasn't a good idea. And it's hot. Here's the big pizza. It worked, but I guess I should have flattened it out a little bit more, so that was my fault. This still makes more sense than these little tiny ones. Now I gotta try it. I hope it's good.
Oh! Somebody, oh! He needs some milk.
Ugh. Remember when I said the marinara sauce smells like nasty? It also tastes nasty. Everything else is okay. The pizza dough is that's a little on the iffy side. I can't even explain the texture of it. Oh, let me try the big one.
It's not looking good.
I wanna like it. I wanna like it. The marinara sauce is not good. Everything else it tastes good. The marinara sauce is crazy. I do think I successfully pulled this off. This is, I think, the best one I've done so far as it comes to like instructions, but this one tastes the worst out of all of them. The pretzels were pretty good. This isn't good. This one had the most steps out of all of them, but I think making the giant one made more sense than making 6 little ones. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you want to see me try more easy bake oven recipes, let me know. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, I'm trying to fix it. Just. All right, let's turn this off. This is actually putting out some heat.